Right, Triumph 675 RS. With a Yoshi pipe. Yeah, wait. We have Hugo over here on the Speed RS. Alright, so we're trying out the two bikes today and we're going to come back and then talk about it. Because we're both used to our inline fours, so it's going to be interesting to see how the wonderful street triples in the naked department actually give us more smiles per horsepower or what. Such a screamer. What mode are we in right now? We're in road mode. Let's not mess around. Oh, quick shifter. Oh my god, that is glorious. Now it is a little bit wet today and these are using super coursers, so we do have to let them warm up a teeny tiny bit. But it sounds absolutely insane with the Yoshimura. So this is a 765cc inline triple engine, so just close up to an 800, so similarly to the MT-09 in the way that it handles, except these ones are tuned more for top end horsepower. They're tuned way more for top end horsepower, and they're more of a racier bike than the MT-09. So I think it has about 130 horsepower. I think that's about right. It is an exceedingly plush motorcycle. You can pick these up second hand now for about $8.5 grand, I would say. Brand new, they're around 10.5. But the differences between this one and the new Speed RS is the Speed obviously has instead of an 800cc inline triple, the Speed RS has a 1050cc inline triple. The 2018 version, so the brand new Speed RS, has a 10 more horsepower than the previous version, and it's got new updates to the engine, so they speed up faster. The engine turns and cranks up faster to get more power out of it. More torque, more power, cornering, ABS, up down quick shifter and cruise control, whereas this one I think it just has an up quick shifter. It sounds amazing. It has a great amount of torque for what it is. It's also a very comfortable bike. It's very small. You don't really feel like it's too unmanageable, but everything feels very like firm and well mannered, even when you're like gunning it. This bike won Bike of the Year last year. Let's see what Hugo's up to. He can't hear himself with the Yoshi pipe. Oh, lots of mud here. So both these bikes have been loaned from Destination Triumph Washington, so go check out their website, links in the description. Brakes are absolutely phenomenal. Woo! Little wheelie there! Oh my god, this thing comes up really easily. I wasn't really expecting it to do that. It's so unlike my Ninja. My Ninja, you need to really, really try to do it. On my Ninja, you really need to give it some to be able to do that. Oh. He won't do it in second, you have to be in much higher up here, but he's doing it. Hey! Naughty, naughty. I'm sure that was completely accidental. It just happened! Completely accidental.
I didn't realise how...
Yeah, I told you, yeah. 1290. XSR 700. You may ask yourself, why, G-Blade, why are you riding a street triple? Well, because I'm turning my ZX6 into a track bike and I'm planning to get a new motor, a new road bike. You guys are probably going to move out of the way. Wow, this is pretty bad. Okay, now you've tried both bikes, Hugo. Which one do you prefer?
Personally, I prefer the speed triple, only because the street triple lacks in a few little things, i.e. The down blipper.
Yeah.
You know, you got to put the clutch in, whereas that, it's all modern. It's all, you know, it's got all the mod cons. It's got the shebang. It down blips everything. This, I went to down blip and I'm like, it's not doing it. What's going on? I'm like, right, okay. So put the clutch in. It's a lovely sound. I prefer the sound of the street triple to the speed triple, but obviously that could just be, maybe change a can on that to something different. You know.
Yeah, if you put a shorty pipe on the speed, you'll be good. Yeah.
You know, you probably get that. Love the single-sided swing arm on the speed triple. I love the fact that it's just got power. You twist the throttle and it's just got power. This one, it's got noise, where it lacks a little bit in power, but obviously, you know, this is the 765.
765, yeah.
765. You know, it's going to be lacking a little bit in power compared to that, but this is so much fun. I had a smile on my face, like the whole journey that I was riding this. I was just like a Cheshire cat, grin to grin. And it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I love the sound. I'm fixated on the sound now. Yeah, the dash is brilliant. You know, obviously I've got the TFT screen on the R1, but I do like how when it goes dark, dash goes a dark blue, and I love blue. So it's just little things, little differences that, to be honest, I would probably buy one of these. I would, 100%. Like, I like it. You know, I've test ridden the MT10, loved it, but this one feels more compact. It's not so meaty. Like, you can actually just throw it around.
Yeah, you can use it more.
You can use it a bit more. Yeah, it's a bit more user friendly. Whereas, you know, the MT10's a nice bike, but it's just an R1 sitting up.
Yeah.
Sitting upright. But yeah.
Yeah. So what's the speed like then in comparison to the R1?
R1's quicker.
Yeah.
You know, there's just endless power in the R1. Something that I probably will never, unless going to a track day.
Yeah, Nürburgring March, mate.
Coming. Yeah. So I think the R1 is more sort of track day bike type thing. That's where you'll use all the power. Here, realistically, as Freddie would say it, it's more, what do you call it?
Real world power.
That's it, real world power.
Cool. Good day?
Yeah, brilliant.